Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, my name is Ahmad Izahan bin Azman. My message number is 06DKA21F2018. So today our group, which is group 5, will present about topic integration. So for the first one, I will do the introduction. So the first one is question. A curve y equal to 2x cubed minus 8x plus 4 intersect at the point A, B and C on the x-axis. For the second one, concept applied in solving the problem. We have two concepts that we apply in this to solve this problem, which is for the first one, area of bounded region, and the second one is volume of revolution. So now I will go to the calculation. So for the question y equal to 2x cubed minus 8x plus 4. For the first one, we do a calculator to get answer, which is we go to degree, we choose 3, and then we insert one by one number, which is for the A we insert 2, for B we insert 0, for the C we insert -8, and for D we insert 4. So we will get 3 answer, which is for the x1 is 1.675, for the x2 is -2.214, and for the x3 is 0.539. So for the area 1 we integrate B and A, which is the question is 2x cubed minus 8x plus 4, and then we substitute B and A with the answer that we get from before. So we get integrate 0.539, and another one is -2.214. So for the first step, we do the integrate. We integrate the equation, which is 2x cubed minus 8x plus 4. So when we integrate, we will get 2x power of 4 over 4 minus 8x square over 2 plus 4x. And then for that equation, we substitute x with the integrate that we choose from earlier. So we use 0.539 first. So when we substitute, so we get 2 bracket 0.539 bracket power 4 over 4 minus 8 bracket 0.539 bracket square over 2 and plus 4 bracket 0.539 bracket. So we will get answer for the first one is 0.042, for the second one is -1.162, and for the third one is 2.56. So we will get 1.036. That is for the first one. So for the second one, we just change the integrate, which is we choose -2.214. So like before, we just insert 2 bracket -2.214 bracket power 4 over 4 -8 bracket -2 and -2.214 bracket square over 2 plus 4 bracket -2.214 bracket. So we for the first answer is 12.014. For the second one, -19.607, and for the last one is 8.856. So we will get -16.449. So for to get the total, we choose the first one, the answer the first one minus with the last one. So 1.063 minus bracket minus 16.449 bracket. So we will get 17.485. So for the second one, for the area 2, So for the area 2, we use A2 equal to integrate C and B. So integrate for the first one is 1.675 and the second one is 0.539. So we integrate the equation like before. So we get 2x power of 4 over 4 negative 8x square over 2 plus 4x. And then we substitute x with the 1.675. So we insert 1.675 in the equation. So 2 bracket 1.675 bracket power of 4 over 4 minus 8 open bracket 1.675 close bracket square over 2 plus 4 open bracket 1.675 close bracket. So we will get answer 3.936 minus 11.223 plus 6.7. So the answer that we'll get is negative 0.587. So for the second one, we substitute with 0.539. So for 0.39, we do the same thing like before. Negative 2 open bracket 0.539 power of 4 over 4 minus 8 open bracket 0.539 close bracket square over 2 plus 4 open bracket 0.539 close bracket. So we will get 0.042 minus 1.162 plus 2.156. So the answer is 1.036 for the first one. So like before, we take the first one to minus with the second one, the second answer. So negative 0.587 minus 1.036. So we will get negative 1.622. So for the total area, A1 plus A2, which is for the A1 is 17.485 and for the A2 is 1.622. So we total it so the answer of the area is 19.107. So that's all from area. So now I will pass to my friend. Thank you.
So next, I am Muhammad Mirahani bin Muhammad Jalani, and my metric number is 06DKA21F2012, and I will continue about the volume calculation. So the equation is y equals to 2x cubed minus 8x plus 4. V1 equals to cube, integrate 2x cubed minus 8x plus 4 square dx equals to 2x cubed minus 8x plus 4 times 2x cubed minus 8x plus 4. So it is equals to 4x times 6 minus 16x times 4 plus 8x cubed minus 16x times 4 plus 64x square minus 32x plus 8x cubed minus 32x plus 16. So the total is 4x times 6 minus 32x times 4 plus 16x cubed plus 64x square minus 64x plus 16. So cube integrate 4x times 6 minus 32x times 4 plus 16x times 3 plus 64 8 square minus 64x plus 16. So next, 4x times 7 over 7 minus 32x times 5 over 5 plus 16x times 4 over 4 plus 64x cubed over 3 minus 64x square over 2 plus 16, integrate with upper limit 0.539 and the lower limit is negative 2.214. So x is equals to 0.539. So next, 4 times 0.539 times 7 over 7 minus 32 times 0.539 times 5 over 5 plus 16 times 0.539 times 4 over 4 plus 64 times 0.539 cubic over 3 minus 64 times 0.539 square over 2 plus 16 times 0.539. So the equations is equals to 7.552 minus 10 cubic negative 3 minus 0.291 plus 0.338 plus 3.341 minus 9.297 plus 8.624, and it is equals to 2.723. So if the x is equals to negative 2.214, it will be 4 times negative 2.214 times 7 over 7 negative 22 times negative 2.214 times 5 over 5 plus 16 times negative 2.214 times 4 over 4 plus 64 times negative 2.214 cubic over 3 minus 64 times negative 2.214 square over 2 plus 16 times negative 2.214. It will be negative 149.007 plus 340.462 plus 69.110 negative 231.522 negative 1.6 negative 156.857 minus 35.424 minus 136.239. So the V1 is equals to 2.723 minus negative 136.239, and it is equals to 138.962. So for next, V2 calculation is V2 equals to cube integrate 2x cube minus 8x plus 4 square. So it will be 4x times 7 over 7 minus 32x times 5 over 5 plus 16x times 4 over 4 plus 64x cube over 3 negative 64x square over 2 plus 16x. So the x will be x equals to 1.675. Next, 4 times 1.675 times 7 over 7 minus 32 times 1.675 times 5 over 5 plus 16 times 1.675 times 4 over 4 plus 64.1.675 times 3 over 3 minus 64 times 1.675 square over 2 plus 16 times 1.675. It is equals to 21.138 minus 84.383 plus 31.486 plus 100.254 minus 89.78 plus 26.8, and it is equals to 5.515. So for the V2 equation is 5.515 minus 2.723. It is equals to 2.79.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Daniel Rifki bin Muhammad Syair. my metric number is 06DKA21F2033. So I also want to continue the calculation, which is about the graph. So what we see is that this graph has 3 intersection point on the x-axis, which are negative 2.214, 0.539 and 1675. So next is conclusion. The conclusion is, from this presentation, with integration as mathematical techniques, I have been to react the solution of the different method used. Each of the method brings a simple and clear way, thus can be used for practical data. Furthermore, with the tables and figures, I have been able and compare the actual data with the predicted data. That's all from our group. Thank you.